The Italian league leaders are bidding to wrap up Group H with 2 games to spare. Can Mourinho and Manchester United roll back the years tonight in the Champions League? Goal tonight for Manchester United on his 28th birthday. So Juventus, Bentancur in there smartly though for Juventus. He was so impressive 2 weeks ago at Old Trafford. That's a lunging challenge by Matic that earns him an early yellow card for the foul on Dybala. Ronaldo. Bonucci was actually in there almost as a centre. Bentancur to Ronaldo. He's going to hit one, Ronaldo. Matic clips it in towards Alexis Sanchez, and Wojciech Szczesny was on his way over there. Neat approach play there from Manchester United.
Very much so. Incredible number of passes there. Look at Sanchez, he just makes that run. That's what they need, that movement.
It's Sanchez, and I think it was Ronaldo of all people in the event. Dybala. And there's danger here with Sami Khedira. Took it first time and took it early because he was the only one up there, really. Deflection, good stop. Got down really sharply there, David De Gea. I think he took a deflection. Here is De Gea, Ronaldo. And the chance! Oh, it's at the post, Sami Khedira. David De Gea was flat-footed and wouldn't have got there. The precise passing from Juventus opened Manchester United up.
Well, it's De Gea, isn't it? A little ball in there, into the channel. It was hitting the top.
Ronaldo manages to squeeze it through, but there was nobody in the black and white stripes on their way in, and Ander Herrera had time to deal with it.
Yeah, he didn't panic there, Herrera. We'll talk about defenders.
Chance to shoot right at the end of the half. And they'll get the corner, Juventus. And Ronaldo urges the... Shaw. Here's Anthony Martial. Oh, we've seen them find the bottom corner with those kinds of runs in the past.
That's what he's good at, isn't he, Martial?
There's Dybala on the ball again with a chance to shoot. David De Gea watched it and it comes back off the bar.
Well, it's a stunning moment, isn't it? Dybala there. That's that little position that he loves. And that's one of the world's best goalkeepers, doesn't even move. It's an unbelievable effort. Just look at the whip he gets on that.
Bonucci looking for Ronaldo's run. That's some ball! Oh, what about that? What about that from Cristiano Ronaldo? Brilliant ball from Leonardo Bonucci. And his first Champions League goal for Juventus is smashed past David De Gea. Typical Ronaldo. Juventus 1, Manchester United 0.
Well, have you ever seen a more big-time player? When the moment comes, there's his son. He must be a proud young man. This ball for...
Ronaldo's with him. It's Ronaldo. Cuadrado missed it. Not sure how, but he missed it.
Well, he's missed it because he expects Ronaldo to hit it. By the time it comes to him, he's just leaning back. Look.
Now Pjanic. He's going to hit one. Pjanic! That was moving all over the place.
Well, they're shooting on sight, aren't they?
It's Mata. Oh, and it's in! It's floated in brilliantly by Juan Mata. His 3rd goal of the season. And is that the goal to earn Manchester United a priceless Champions League point in Turin? Juventus 1, Manchester United 1.
Brilliant.
Fellaini's attacking this one. It's gone all the way through and it's gone in. Well, I'm not sure whether it's gone through without a touch. Ashley Young's got away to claim it. Manchester United have the lead. Pogba was around the ball. So was Chris Smalling. Wojciech Szczesny still down. And Manchester United have overturned things here. They've come from a goal down in Turin to lead Juventus 2-1.
But we just said the Manchester United fans would be believing they could win.
He's got Marcus Rashford up with him, and Rashford's in, and Rashford can seal it. Oh, big save by Szczesny. Corner.
Massive.